Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be talking about how to create pop-up menu button like this, and it has got also on tap functionality. So on particular tap you can navigate to another screen, you can print anything, you can perform actions. Basically you might have seen these kind of pop-up menu buttons in app bar right side or left side, and yeah, that's it. And without any delay, let's get started. So for that I have used a pop-up menu button. Inside this I have taken icon. This is the particular icon which is visible here, and it has a property item builder, and inside this it has a return of array. So the number of buttons that we want on the tap of this, I will have to create inside this return. So for that, so for this, first of all, what it takes pop-up menu item, okay, and it takes child. So first of all I will give on tap functionality. So whatever I'll type, it will come inside this and in this child property. So you need not to wrap this inside gesture detector for particular tap action. It actually provides on tap functionality. So yes, for now I will have to take row because I want to show icon and text both. So row inside children, first of all icon widget, then icons dot camera, yes, camera, then text, would be simple camera, okay, and let me run this. Now here it is showing here, it needs some little bit of space between two. So I'm adding width of 10. Let me see. Now it is looking great, but there is extra padding also appears, so you can also remove that. Type here padding, which will be edge insets dot all. I want 5, so let me run this. Now there is less padding, so it is looking fine from earlier. So this is one option that I have created here. What I will do, I'm just going to copy this and copy it 3 more times. So last one will be file. You can choose your options. File, copy, give it folder. You can give your options according to your requirement. Folder, and last one, it means second one, I will take here photo library, photo library, come on, yes. Now let me save this. Now if I will tap on this, there are the 4 options are coming now. So let me add constant on these two. You can change color of the icon, color of the text. From here you can increase decrease the size, You can also handle the padding as I shown you. So, and again one more thing, now the edges are quite sharp, so you can also handle this. So inside this pop-up menu button, it has a property shape, a round rectangular border, and then border radius dot circular, and then you can give your value here, like I will give 15. Okay, to less, let me see. Now it is coming like round edges now, so it is looking better from earlier. And one more thing, when I am tapping on this, my 3 dot icon is covered with this option, so you can also handle this, like it has also got a property for that, position. So pop-up menu position dot under this, let me check. Now it is coming under it, it is looking fine, right? So it has also got padding and all those things. So let me show you on tap functionality. It is camera, so what I'm not going to navigate, I'm just going to print a simple value like camera tabbed. Okay, so save the value and let me tap on the camera is tapped. So you can perform your action here. If you want to navigate, you can navigate. If you want to show any message, you can show message. If you want to open camera, then you can put your open camera function inside this, and I have made separate video for camera and selecting pictures from camera and gallery. You can also check my channel. So lastly, I will show you how to put this pop-up menu button in this app bar. So for this, inside app bar, it has got property actions. Sorry, what you will do, just copy this pop-up menu button, copy this all, and put inside this and save. There it is, the button, and when you will tap on this is the option, and need to change the color of the icon. So yes, let me check. Yes, camera icons, colors dot black for now. This is for all 4 options, right? Run and save. Now icons and text is visible, and as I have already applied print in camera option, so whenever I am going to tap this, let me open the console first. When I will tap this, it will print camera tabbed. Okay, so that's it in this video. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.